You want to stay in a car?
Oh.
I mean, up to you. If not, you're going to get thrown around.
Now you can come down. No issue, no issue.
Hey everyone, welcome back to SG Carmart Review. So today we're going to drive the new Range Rover Sport. So we've actually already checked out the car. You can click here to see our preview of that car. However, Land Rover has created a little bit of a driving experience. So we're going to take this car on the road and then we're going to do a little bit of track driving. So they've created a bit of a track setup and we're going to test the handlings of these cars. This is a Range Rover Sport after all, so let's see how it feels. Let's jump in and let's go. So we're now finally driving the Range Rover Sport on the road, so we're heading towards CEC for track experience. And first impressions, this is quite a big car. It feels big, not helped by the fact that I'm behind a Discovery and this makes that look really quite small. But how does it feel on the road? It feels better than before. I mean, I think the fact that this new architecture is a lot stiffer than before helps. So the car feels a little bit tighter overall and doesn't roll so much as the previous one did. And of course, this also has air suspension as standard, so comfort is definitely up there. We're doing 65 and you don't really feel anything, right? You just float over all the bumps on the road. Now, in terms of performance, here we have, if I'm not wrong, somewhere close to 400 horsepower, 550 Nm of torque, and that's plenty. Obviously, we're not going to deploy it fully now, but if I just put my foot down a little bit, nice and smooth acceleration. I think this drivetrain is quite good. And overall, I think it's definitely an improvement from before as far as refinement is concerned. Okay, so now on the track, a little bit basically cone setup at CEC, and just gonna put this car through its paces a little bit. The car's in dynamic mode. What can I tell you? It handles a little bit better than you would expect. It's a big car. It's fairly heavy and it feels that way, but I must say I should not be doing this in a Range Rover Sport, but I am because, well, apparently I can, and the car is holding up well. So it's not super quick, but again, for all intents and purposes, it's plenty of power, and I must say there is quite a lot of grip. And this new architecture, yes, the car isn't rolling very much. Steering is quite good. I can actually chuck the car around quite a bit, and I must say, yes, it is sporty, right? It definitely feels different from your standard Range Rover, so this definitely has less of a big car vibe to it. You see, you can chuck it in, and yeah, it does feel like a smaller car than it actually is. There is a sense that the car is shrinking around you when you're doing these sorts of stuff. I'm doing 90 around a bend, and so yeah, I must say it is quite impressive actually. You don't really expect to be doing such stuff in a Range Rover Sport. I mean, of course, also it's helped by the fact that we have all-wheel drive, so there's plenty of traction. And yeah, it is quite dynamic actually. I think it is sporty. So that's a real quick drive of the new Range Rover Sport. So of course, we're going to be doing a full review of this car, so stay tuned for that video. Now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Those of you watching who are not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be alerted of all our upcoming videos, such as the review of this car. Also follow us on TikTok, we are at SG Carmart. So that's all I have for you today. See you soon. Bye! Don't forget. Okay, again. 3, 2, 1.
Sound more excited, you just ended a very fun drive.
Guys, please take note. Can you please do not use the walk?
Am I accidentally pressing it?
You guys instructions.
Oh, did I accidentally? Maybe I was accidentally.
I'll hold on to it.